Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is video games sales prediction. So we have created this web application using Streamlit platform. This model will predict the sales for a video game on the basis of some parameters. Like here the parameters are rank, platform, year, genre, publisher, NSL sub, EU sales sub, and others. So let's enter some values. Rank is 1. Let's enter the platform. Year 2022. Racing. Publisher is, we are entering very random values just to check. Let's enter very random 41.49, 29 point, what, that's 3, 20.3, sorry. For this, let's enter 0.07, and other sales will be, it's 31. So you can see that we have entered all the input values for these parameters and they are very random. So let's click the predict button and check the sale. So you can see that the value for the sale is 47.98. So this model is made on the basis of very small data set. Not very small means the data set was small. So if you want to get more accurate results, you need to get a larger data set. So yes, for now it has successfully predicted the value for the sale. If you want to get the code for this project, you can click here on files menu and go directly on this file. So this is the file app.py which contains the main code for creating this web application. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is the world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.